Document library is an important part of any SharePoint site. The way you use it and handles its settings will determine how productive your team gets with document management. Hello everyone, I'm Alex Joseph from Doc. Today I'll show you how to create a new document library in SharePoint and how to configure it for your team. Document libraries allows you to do a lot of things. You can create, add, edit, manage, share, co-author, and even delete files when they are outdated. There are even more capabilities made available in a SharePoint document library today. When you create a SharePoint site, a document library will also be added to it by default, so that you can save all documents regarding the site there. However, you can always create and add more document libraries if you need. Let me show you how to do it. Let us do this for our marketing updates team site. As it's the holiday season, I have made the SharePoint platform look colorful. Hope all of you will like it. Let's get started from the home page here. We already have a document library for this site. By clicking on the documents option in the left, you can go to that particular document library. So here there are a lot of documents already saved. So I just want to create a new document library for this site because I want to store a particular type of files regarding a process or project in a separate document library. So to create a new document library, just click on the plus icon here and choose document library. So you can give a new name for the library here. I'm going to name this new document library marketing documents. So you can also give a description here. You can also choose the option to show this document library in the site navigation. You can also uncheck it if that's not necessary and click on create to complete the creation process. So now the marketing documents document library is created. So the next thing you want to do is to configure some of the options that are available for this new document library. For that, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and choose library settings. Here you can configure all kinds of options regarding this new document library. There is the first option you see is the general settings, that is the list name and description. Here you can edit the name of the document library description, and also you can change the navigation options if necessary. Other important options are the version settings. So here you can configure options related to content approval, document version history, draft item security, whether you can decide whether uh, required documents to be checked out before they can be edited. If you choose yes, you will if you're choosing yes here, all of them who want to edit any document in this library should check out the document first. It's a good feature. You can choose it if necessary. After making changes, click OK to save all the changes. There are also options regarding column default value settings, audio, audience targeting settings, ratings settings, etc. There's also the option to delete the document library here. You can also edit the permissions for this document library here. Other important features include the columns. These are some of the default columns you get in a document library. So you can edit any of these by clicking on these options. So If you want to edit the title option, just click on the title and you can rename this. You can give a description. You can also make some changes to the column formatting options and click OK to save the changes. You can also add new columns from this window. Just click on create column here, or all of these options will help you to edit the column options. You can also create a new view to make the document library look the way you want and the way you wish or you think it will be better for your team. So these are some of the options that you want to configure after creating a document library. So next thing you may want to do is to add documents here. You can use the upload option. You can choose this option to upload files from your computer, and there's also an option to drag and drop files. That's very easy. All you need is to open your document library, go to Windows of Explorer and find a few files there and just drag them here. So it's a very easy process. Yeah. Only thing is, if the file size is really large, it might take us some time. So once you have added some files in here, you can always highlight some of the documents if you wish to make it easier for others to access. So in this case, if you think if the free book image is very important for your team and you want to show it first, you can right click on the document and choose pin to top. So that particular document will be shown here, as you know. So everyone coming to this document library will view it first. So you can also add any number of uh, files to be highlighted. So I'll just show you one more. Yeah, so these two files are highlighted now. So anyone coming to this document library will see it first. Anyone can actually download any of these options by choose the file and click on download. So that particular file will be downloaded from the library. There's also options to delete. We also have a blog written on this topic, how to create a document library in SharePoint. And if you think you need more outlook on this topic, you can click on the link which is given in the description. By configuring all these options, you can make this document library ready for your team, along with taking control of all the document management activities that will be taking place in your team side. Hope you liked this video. That's all for now. Like you, we also hope that 2021 will be a lot better than 2020. Have a good year ahead. See you soon.